So here we're going to wash our sink. Hello my friends, today we are showing you the RAYBAO. This is the cordless little mini buffer and polisher. 12 volt, 2000 to 5000 RPM, 2.0 Ah battery, DA polisher, RO polisher. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything you get. So guys, it comes in this really nice protective case, nice carrying handle. Oh my word, wow. Take a look at, oh, wow. Look at all of the different buffing pads and polishing pads. Like, that is crazy. You get your manual, even more buffing pads. Oh my, you got buffing brushes. Comes with 2 batteries. Your charging unit here. So plus minus. So just like that. So just stick it in charge. 2-prong standard outlet for charging. Wow. This is nice. This is a nice kit. Take a look at this, guys. Wow. Let's actually go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys here. On and off. Okay, so turn it on. Wow. Battery levels on here. This is really nice. That's going to work really well. You just stick your pads on. So yeah, you guys can use these for a lot of different applications, not just buffing and polishing. You guys can use these for cleaning. These work great for toilets. They work great for so many different things. Even your bathtub, just make sure you use the correct end. You don't want to use an end that's too much grit or you could ruin it. So, but overall, this is a really nice kit. So here we're going to wash our sink. Just a good way of polishing and cleaning up. All right, now it should be cleaned up pretty good. Like brand new. Look at that. Look at the shine of this bowl. Look at that shine, guys. And that was without any polish or anything. Incredible.